Today we're going to turn right. At this roundabout, it's a third exit, it's a spiral roundabout. That means every exit you go past, your lane will bend further and further to the left. So each exit it goes past, the road bends to the left and you'll automatically become one lane to the left. So we are taking a third exit, our right signal is on. We are following the blue taxi, we're going to remain in what you can see as now lane 2, sorry. As we go around the roundabout and we follow the taxi, we will then end up in lane 1 behind the blue taxi, like this. We do not need to signal left to exit the roundabout, but if you do so, you will not be penalised, you will not get a minor. You look at the speed limit that's changed, it used to be 70, now it's 50. So you can either stick your cruise control on or drive up to 50 miles an hour. It's completely your choice. Thank you for watching.